Good afternoon, guys. Today I am at the Wetco Pro location in Newcastle, PA. Gonna check out this wash and I got a new phone, so I'm hoping the quality is a little bit better. How are you today, buddy?
I'm good.
I'm Josh. I run the Wetco in Cranberry.
Oh, cool.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Luke.
How are things here tonight?
Going fine. You know, part of the year where it gets darker after 7, there's not as much.
Oh yes, it's the same way in Cranberry. It's my dead time. Have a good night, man. Gonna start off with a pre-soak. There's the arch. Top brush. Our low side washer. And our gyros. And then here's the triple foam. Triple foam pods. Wheel blasters. There's this gyro back. Hot wax. Dryers. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, the subscription would mean the world to me. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I try my best to answer everyone's comments personally. Thanks again for watching, and